Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having multiple news in Euro and USD today, and most of them are high impact news. I can see that is at 5:45 p.m., 6 p.m., 6:15 p.m. and 10:31 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious around these times since it could be a high spread and high volatile timings. So now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD. The price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below this strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame since the price breached the strong low. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the price a bullish push. So currently we are sweeping the lows and sweeping the highs of the monthly. So we are currently into the sideways into the monthly levels. So for a precise picture, let's move to the weeklies. This is the weekly chart and we can clearly see that an order flow has been maintained by the market and the price is moving into the downward direction. We were having a failed strong low since it is not able to break any kind of highs. So I'll be considering it as a failed stop loss. So I'll be considering it as a failed strong low. So we are still going to see if we are going to invalidate this zone or not. So currently there is nothing clear into the weeklies. Let's move to the dailies. This is the daily chart and I have no clarity yet where the market is going to go. So I'll be directly moving to 4 hours. This is the 4-hour chart and we can clearly see equal lows into the market in the 4 hours. So I'm anticipating the price to take these equal lows, and if we are going to go higher, most likely we will be going to go higher from this level or this unmitigated area into the higher direction, else we are going to disrespect it and move into the downward direction. Currently the price is following the strong highs, so most likely I'm anticipating the price to respect it and move into the downward direction, else this is a liquidity and price is going to take it. Currently for today's buyers, let's move to the 30 minutes for a precise picture. There is nothing much clear into the 30 minutes. Let's move to the 15 minutes. This is the 15-minute chart and the price is following strong low into the 15 minutes. So most likely I'm anticipating the price to take these equal highs and give some kind of reaction. So most likely I'm anticipating the price to be bullish, and then we are going to manipulate and go into the downward direction taking these equal lows. So I'm anticipating the price to take the Asia high or take the London's high and then move into the downward direction towards these equal lows. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.